Are foundation cracks normal? The answer to this question is not a simple one, as it depends on the severity and specifics of the cracks. Most homeowners will experience at least one foundation crack in their home during its lifetime. While foundation cracks are quite common and can be expected in homes that are older, there are several types of foundation cracks that can occur in a home. The most common are vertical and horizontal cracks. Settlement cracks are also common and can be caused by the settling of the home's foundation. The good news is that most foundation cracks are usually not a sign of a major problem. When should you start worrying about foundation cracks? There are certain situations in which you should definitely start worrying about foundation cracks. One such situation is when the cracks are large, gaping, and seem to be widening over time. If the foundation is shifting or settling, this can cause big cracks to form, and these can be a sign of a more serious problem. Another situation in which you should be concerned about foundation cracks is when they are accompanied by other issues, such as water leaks and broken pipes. If you're not sure whether or not you should be worried about your home's foundation cracks, it's always best to speak with a professional. A structural engineer can assess the condition of your home and help you figure out whether or not the cracks are a cause for concern.